Okay, so I can already tell this place is a local joint.
I can give you a rating right now. There's no way that could be better. Everything from the spice mixture to the texture of the pancake, and then the flavor of the onion and potato, and then all of these amazing options for what you want to dip in.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Bangalore, Bengaluru, India. This is going to be our last night here in the country of India. And that breaks my heart to say out loud. We have had so much fun here. It has easily been the most exotic place we have ever explored. It feels so far from anything we know. And that has been just a crazy journey to be here in the country of India for almost a month. But we are not ready to say goodbye to India just yet. We're gonna have one more night in the city of Bengaluru where everything just comes alive at night here. It's one of the best nightlife cities in India. And essentially our goal for the night is to spend the rest of the cash that we have. Every time you convert cash at an airport, you inevitably lose some money. So we wanna spend the rest of the cash that we have tonight. And most of that is gonna be on food. The food in India has blown us away. Every single region we've explored, every single city has had their own unique cuisine and own unique takes on their own dishes. The first thing we're gonna try tonight is some dosa. We had dosa back in Mumbai, but we have not had it since. We're gonna try two different places, two places that we've been told are really, really good for dosa. Actually, that's not even close to the right explanation. We've heard these are some of the best dosa places in the world. So we're gonna see if that's true. MTR is our first location. And it's right across Buffalo Wild Wings of all places. Who knew there was a Buffalo Wild Wings in India? All right, let's try some dosa at MTR, and then we've got another dosa location right after. There's a tree in here. Okay, I'm thinking one masala dosa to split.
Masala chai.
Let's see, I see masala buttermilk. Do you want a mango lassi? Nice and refreshing. This is
Don't fucking drink that.
Well, could we have a mango lassi
Mango lassi.
and a masala dosa?
One masala dosa.
Yeah, one masala dosa.
One mango lassi.
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's so good. I don't even care how much sugar is in this. It's worth it every time.
I should have got two. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow.
Wow.
It's got a lot of potato in it. Just look at this golden color. You're gonna see the texture and the butter on my fingers. Oh my god. Wow.
What is that? Is that a pot?
I think that's
Butter?
ghee. Yeah. So ghee is like a clarified or purified butter. And I think you are supposed to just pour it over, but you try to dip it first. Make sure that's what it is. Add even more butter to the equation. Yeah.
That's E. Now there's usually a coconut chutney and then sambar, is that what it's called? These beautifully vibrant, colorful side sauces. Oh.
Is that the coconut one?
No. The coconut one is this one. This is like a very spicy chutney. It's so beautiful. Like a perfect triangle. Open up, rip and dip situation. Now we're getting to the potato portion. There's a lot of potato in here. I don't know how food can taste this good. Alright, so now potato with the sambar. That's the best combo right there. No words. Zero words. That's even better
Really?
than the Mumbai place.
Wow.
I mean, it's a little different style, I think, but this brown color, golden brown, it's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
I love the texture of the dosa. It looks like a pancake. It's got little holes in it. Spicy. Wow. Look at that. That looks like a pancake almost. And oddly enough, dosa is a breakfast food here in India, which I did not know. But of course it is, because this is delicious. I like that. That's really good.
Sydney is allowing me the honor of finishing our first dosa. I honestly could have ordered another one, but we have to kind of pace ourselves. Lots of food to be had. But we are off to a perfect start. I mean, this is exactly what I wanted on my last night in India. On to stop 2.
That was the best dosa we've had so far. And I think, okay, we've only had dosa at 2 places, but in Mumbai, we had so much of the outside and not enough of the potato mixture. Like, we were eating the outside with like no potato for like so long before you got to the potato. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Whereas here, there's the perfect amount of ratio of the potato filling and the outside.
Yeah, the pancake is just so perfect for holding it all together. But you don't need like a thick, like it has to be thin so it gets that nice brown color.
Yeah. What would you rate it?
That was a 9 out of 10 for me. That was fantastic.
Yeah.
It was like, I can't imagine it being better. I should probably just say 10.
Yeah.
I'm always afraid to say 10 because then people are like, oh, okay.
Because you haven't tried all the dosas in the world. You can't rate it a 10.
I just can't picture it being much better. We should probably add that a dosa is a pancake that's made out of rice and lentils. So that's what gives it its texture. And that golden brown color with the butter. Can't beat it.
Can't beat it.
We're waiting for a tuk-tuk to take us down the road. It is only in 20-minute walk, but you know what? I'm gonna miss my tuk-tuks. We started off the night with 1,620 rupees. That comes out to around $20 US. And I think that should be more than enough to last us the night. Our bill at MTR ended up being 250 rupees for the lassi and the dosa. And we also gave the guy a 100 rupee tip. So we're 350 in. If they slam on the brakes and turn in the wrong way,
You're dead.
like you could literally go flying out the door. There's nothing stopping you from like, I mean, I guess you're kind of in the seat.
Well, my side has the guardrail.
Yeah. I mean,
Yours doesn't.
you probably wouldn't fly out while it's still up, but I just keep imagining it like tipping over and then you roll out onto the street and then get hit by a car.
Has anyone seen a tuk-tuk accident? Like a complete on the side accident. Not like a little fender bender. A little love tap, as they call them.
An actual full-on accident. I like them though.
Okay, he's here.
4166.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Big man, little
Right.
tuk-tuk.
Okay, so I can already tell this place is a local joint. Like this just feels, it's got like the lights and people are just standing at the tables. Very no frills, very easygoing.
We have 5. Yeah.
Try something different.
No, I think we have to stick plain.
There's a lot of options. We get a ghee masala dosa. Communal seating here, or standing I should say. A lot of times you're going to be next to your neighbor who you probably don't know. You're going to have all of the Bengaluru traffic going right by you. This is how street food in Bangalore is supposed to be. I'm so excited. It also seems like it's exclusively eating with your hands. There's no utensils here, no forks, no knives, none of that nonsense.
Oh, we have 3 little dips and sauces.
Yeah, so I think these are both chutneys, and then this is the
Samba.
sambal.
It smells amazing.
All
This
right,
one looks thicker for a little bit.
yeah, you've definitely got the golden brown color, but you can see with the batter a lot more to this one. Ooh. It's got a lot of flavor to it. Oh my gosh, my hands are gonna get so messy. We're all in, baby. No worries. No worries about messes tonight. Alright. Starting with sambar. That is incredible. We haven't even gotten to potato. Should I open it
Why
up?
don't you open it?
Oh my goodness. Look at all that flavoring. You can just tell it's gonna be spicy with all that. And you got the potatoes and onions in the middle. And of course, the golden brown. Ooh. You can tell some spice to it. It's very different than what we had at the last place. I really like this. I really, really like that.
Looks like hummus.
It does. Like that. Little potato, little onion. Actually, should we do the whole thing here and just some chutney on it too? Yeah, that's the bite. I can give you a rating right now. That's a 10.
No.
There's no way that could be better. Everything from the spice mixture to the texture of the pancake, and then the flavor of the onion and potato, and then all of these amazing options for what you want to dip in, which my favorite is becoming this. How could this get better? I don't know. Simply don't know. That's why it's a 10. It is so fitting that our favorite street food we had in India was tonight on our last night. That dosa was absolutely incredible. I just can't believe all the flavors going on. So good, so flavorful, so well put together, so filling. I can't believe how filling it is for being
completely vegetarian. Really just some potatoes and onions in there, apart from the actual pancake. But the spice is going on. I'm still recovering from that spice journey. I mean, there were so many things to identify at once. It was extremely overwhelming, but in the best way. We cannot recommend these guys enough. Umesh Refreshments. It's right in the nightlife area, or one of the nightlife areas in Bengaluru. This is a nightlife city. This is a Tuesday night and it is hopping. I can't imagine it on a Saturday. But we definitely are in one of the bigger nightlife areas, and I can just imagine after being out at the bars or the clubs, coming to get one of those dosas. Oh, next time. That's our plan next time. Our plan from here was to go over to one of the most famous street food streets here in Bangalore. It's all vegetarian food. We're really excited to try it. Heard so many good things. The problem is that it closes in about an hour, and we're probably about 35 minutes away by tuk-tuk. So I think by the time we get there, they're probably just gonna be closing up shop, and we'll be getting like the last food of the day. Probably not the best idea for our Western stomachs. And that is a good segue into telling you that we are flying to Thailand tonight. Well, not really tonight. It's more so in the morning, but we're considering it tonight because we're gonna attempt to pull an all-nighter. The reason why, this flight is at about 6 a.m. and it does take a while to get from central Bangalore to the Bangalore airport. So our thoughts are, we can actually save on a night of hotel expenses by just going to the airport really early in the morning. And on top of that, there's a really cool airport here in Bengaluru. They just redid Terminal 2, which is the international terminal. We're really excited to check it out. We've heard it's on par with some of the best airports in the world. So we are definitely excited to bring that to you. That is gonna be in our next video. These two videos are gonna kind of overlap with each other. So we'll see what else we can do tonight. I still wanna have some more street food, but I'm a little worried that everything's gonna be closed. I'm making it my mission before we end this video to have at least one more street food item here in India. Indian street food is the best street food, 100%, no doubt about it. I've never had anything like it, and I'm gonna miss it dearly. I found a place that stayed open till 1 a.m. serving vada pav and pav bhaji, our two other favorite street foods in India that we tried when we were in Mumbai. It's about a 10-minute walk from here, but I don't know, the vibe is just off. There's no one really around, and this is a pretty safe area in general, but you just never know. And I'm a white guy with a camera, like kind of asking for it. So I'm gonna head back, and man, this is just so sad. India, we will return. I promise you, promise you that. There's so much left for us to explore. This is a massive country, seemingly endless. There are so many places in India to explore. The food blew us away. The people were so nice and welcoming. To be here during not only the Cricket World Cup, but also Diwali, the biggest holiday in India. Absolutely incredible 3 weeks, close to a month we spent here. And still got a little Diwali going. Oh, India, we will meet again. We can promise you that. All right, in about 4 hours, 3 hours at this point, we're gonna catch a flight to Thailand